Good morning, Power2Drive. Welcome at our beautiful Peblar stand. This morning we are going to present you our latest asset to our portfolio, and that's our beautiful dual socket chargers. As you can see, 2 sockets on one incredibly slim and well-designed unit. Today I'm going to explain to you what's so special about our newest product. The Dual is a story actually in 4 parts. The first part is easy installation. The second part is how incredibly easy it is to scale with the Dual to a full parking site. The third part is easy access, because we have integrated direct payment solutions. And the fourth part is our rock-solid reliability, as you are used to from Peblar. So let's have a look at the first part, installation. The Peblar Dual comes in 2 parts. When you start unboxing your Peblar Dual, you start with our wonderful backplate. This is for the electrician. You connect the electricity from the bottom, put it in here. We even have daisy chaining options. And yeah, it's as simple as that. This is your electrical installation. Of course, we have something clever in here. This is a patented pending design from Power2Drive. If you want the cabling to come from the top, for example, you can take this clever part out. You rotate it. And voila, you have a top cable installation. So this is incredibly easy, anyone can do it. And if you want to turn it back again, go like this, insert this inner part, screw it, and it's done. So this part was incredibly easy already. Now finalizing this installation is actually child's play. A non-electrician can do the rest and the commissioning. This is our front unit. This is the brains of the Dual. As you can see, all you have to do is put it on here and you are installed. That's incredibly convenient. The screws, they don't fall out. Another nice thing, as you can see here, our incredibly large touchscreen, 6mm thick, AK10 approved, so incredibly solid. So then how do we continue the installation, commissioning? Put the front on top. 6 screws again, affix them, place the front covers, click them. This is actually very satisfying. And you're done. This is installation. Power comes on and you are live, ready to go. And only 8.4 kilograms. Anybody can do this. I can lift this charger. So these are the advantages that you get with installing just one Dual. Incredibly fast, incredibly easy. Now let's go to the second part of our story. That's the story of many Duals. For installing many Duals, we also have very specific advantages. As you can see here, this is what we would like you to do. Equip parking garages and other sites with the Dual. You can here see that we have a vlakband, a flat installation. We have power daisy chaining, making it much easier, saving you lots of copper. We allow Ethernet daisy chaining. In the future, in 2027, we will have Wi-Fi mesh. So there are many advantages of rolling out many Duals. Of course, we also have active load balancing, automatic phase rotation, very much worth mentioning. With automatic phase rotation, you no longer have to hardwire phase rotation. That saves you installation mistakes and makes it fully automatic and digital to optimize the grid performance in your parking garage. Also, for multi-user sites, we also have a back cover. So if you don't want to finalize the installation, you can put this cover, this is a prototype by the way, on the back plate, and you can install the fronts at a later time at your convenience. So now we've had 2 parts of the story, fast and easy installation of one, fast and easy installation of many. Let's have a look at the easy access. My colleague is going to assist me. He's going to charge his car for you, live in action. We are going to show you QR payment, but also direct card payment. Dominique, please, charge the car. You can see here on screen that we have several card options that you can choose from. So Dominique is now going to swipe his bank card. He's going to type his, he should have typed his super secret PIN.
Don't have a PIN.
He doesn't have a PIN, so it's super safe. And you can start charging. It's as easy as that. And if you want to stop the session, Dominique, show. So the car stops charging, plug out, So this is direct card payment. This is going to be available in 2027 on the Dual. Wait for it. On top of that, we also have QR code payment. That's going to be directly available upon launch of the Dual. So let's have a look at that as well. We're going to the Dual again. We have a QR code. You could take your phone, scan it, make the payment happen, and you're done, ready to charge. So this is really as easy as it gets in charging. Fully accessible Peblar Dual. Thank you, Dominic, for being my assistant. So that brings us to the fourth part. We've had three: the installation of one, installation of many, easy access. Let's have a look at rock-solid reliability. The story of Peblar actually starts in 2023, when we started developing our first charger and brought it to the market. That's the Peblar Home and the Peblar Business. Here you can see a breakup of our full charger, a single socket, the first one that we made. All components are made in the Netherlands. Designed, produced, made in the Netherlands. The PCB, the plastic parts, everything. Our engineers actually live on top of our production site. So that's why we are confident about our rock-solid performance. So this is the portfolio that we started with in Eindhoven. So that's our Peblar Home charger with cable for the convenience of the end user at home, and our Peblar Business. With these chargers, we build a reputation for rock-solid performance. And that's also what we bring to the table for the Peblar Dual. All our expertise, all our experience, rock-solid reliability. So I'd like to thank you now for joining me on this little tour. As you've now learned everything you need to know about the Peblar Dual, I'd like to emphasize just once more, Peblar Dual, 4 parts, installation of one, incredibly easy, installation of many scaling advantages, easy access for payment, and rock-solid reliability. Thank you very much.